Please.
Okay, and let's share the screen. Let's share the screen.
Yeah, please. I'm just muting you because of the background noise. But if I have a doubt, I will unmute.
Yeah, no problem. So just confirm, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you see,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah. Then where is
then
the
we ran the NPX playwright test.
test?
NPX playwright test, right? So now, if you see,
Yeah.
running 6 tests using 2 workers, what it is saying?
Okay.
Running
Running the is it opposite? Is it ending two tests with the different workers, isn't it? We
6
have only
tests,
two tests, isn't it?
2 tests, but it is saying 6 tests. Why?
Two tests in Chromium, two tests in Firefox, two tests in WebKit.
Perfect, perfect. That is why it is saying the 6 tests and 2 workers. 2 workers it is saying. And it means 2
Yeah.
processors separately. Okay.
Yeah.
Click text using the 2 workers. Get started link. Firefox. Why it is taking this much time? Oh, is it completed?
Because it's running everywhere. 3, 4,
No, it
6,
should not
start with
take this
6.
much time. Might be something stuck. Might be something stuck. What is this? So if you see the left side, there is a
Yeah.
results. Test results also.
Yeah.
What is these results? Don't know. Wait.
How we can stop running?
Actually, it is something stuck, okay? Because of internet slow or something, I don't know. So, it is going. Yeah. To open last HTML. Yeah. If you see here, it is executed. You're able to see my screen?
Yeah.
It is executed.
Yes.
It is saying 6 passed. Out of 6 tests,
Yes.
6 tests are passed. To open last HTML
Yes.
report, this is the one. So first, before that, what is there in the test? Let us understand. What is there in the test?
Yeah.
Right? Just we can understand.
Import playwright test.
Yeah. So just let me explain this one time. Okay. Let me explain this.
Yeah.
So this is what we are going to discuss daily also. How to write these tests and all.
Yeah.
So now, if you see, this is the import. This is the import. What we are importing?
Yeah.
Test and export module. Test and export modules from the playwright.test. From the playwright.test library. Okay. From the playwright.test, we are importing test and export.
Test is our folder name, isn't it? Then expect we are expecting importing, isn't it?
No. What I'm saying is this playwright.test, you know, right? Playwright.test.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
playwright, under this
Yeah.
playwright.test will be there. So under this playwright,
Yeah.
lot of things in this. If you see
Yeah. Playwright that at playwright test it's the
in this also lot of things, playwright.tests are there. So like this, there is
yeah.
many modules are there in the playwright. To run our
Yeah.
script, we need the playwright.test, right?
Yeah.
Playwright./test. This is the playwright.
Test.
This is the playwright. I will show this. This is the playwright. Under this, there is a test also will be there, I guess. Some folder test is there. Test. Okay,
Yeah.
it's different. This is different. Playwright.test means this one, I think. Yeah, this one. Playwright.test, I think. Okay. So this is just library. You don't need to go there and see all those things. But under this
Yeah.
playwright/test, there is a two modules are there. If you remember, if you are writing some functions, if you are writing some functions in one file, and if you want to
Mm-mm.
call those functions into another file, if you want to call
Yeah.
functions into another file, you have to import. In the same way,
Yeah.
these are the functions or these are the modules written into this playwright.test. Right.
Got it.
If I click this, I came to here. I came to this. Right. This is what
Yeah.
came.
Got it.
This is what we came like that.
Yeah, got it.
Here also,
Completely got it. Yeah.
if I click here also, this is the one export. So
Okay.
like this, you just
Got it.
understand high level now. So we need the test
Yeah.
module and export module from the playwright/test. So those both
Yeah, got it.
we are importing. Once we import, we are going to use this. If you see here, to write this
Yeah.
test, this module we need to import. And
Got.
this expect is to verify, or this expect is to assert the
Yeah.
assert whatever the test, verify the test execution, right? So whether it is
Yeah.
passed or failed, we will check it. So like that. So if you see,
Yeah.
this is the test. For this test, this is the name. This is the syntax to write the test also. For example, if you want to write a new test also, you have to write like that only. Just I'm saying, for example,
Yeah.
why I'm explaining is tomorrow if we are going to write another test, it will be like that. So test has title is there, na? So
Mm.
verify title, something. This is the name. This is the name only. That is the test name,
Yeah.
right? And here and async, await. These two I need to explain you very well. Tomorrow, next class, I will explain. But today, I will
Yeah.
just briefly I will explain what is that.
But we are going to use synchronous. Yeah. Last time we used synchronous, then only it will run sequentially, isn't it?
No, actually, why people are using the JavaScript for the Playwright? Do you know? Why people are
Mm.
using the JavaScript for Playwright? Initially, I started with Python. I started with Python.
Yeah.
You told Shiva, we need a JavaScript. So people are asking to use
Yeah.
the JavaScript. Na? So I also told
Yeah.
in the market there is a 80% of people using the JavaScript or TypeScript. Both are same, of course. So why
Yeah.
they are using is because of this feature only. Because of this feature only. What is this feature?
Asynchronous.
Asynchronous. So default in JavaScript, it is a synchronous. Okay, it will run as
Yes.
synchronous. Synchronous means, one after one,
Yeah.
it will run. One it is completed, then it will start the next one. One it is next it one.
Next one.
But this
Yeah.
playwright module, whatever the library, playwright library in the JavaScript, whatever they are created is the asynchronous. They are created
Yeah.
asynchronous in nature. So why they are created
Yeah.
asynchronously is nature is it will manage the latencies of the any objects. For example, if you are going to
Yeah.
launch one browser, if you are going to
Yeah.
launch some website, right? So sometimes to launch that it will take time. Sometimes it will
Yeah.
take time. Immediately it will open. But sometimes it will take some 5 seconds, 10 seconds also. For example,
Yes.
in that case, it is like a flaky test. It is like a inconsistent,
Yeah.
right? So if you are not using
Yeah.
wait or something, always it will fail. Wait,
Yes.
code if you are writing simply, it will fail.
Yeah.
If you are using
Yeah.
await, async and await, it will do a magic
Yeah.
to you. It will do a magic to you. What magic it is doing is, whenever you are using the async and await, so for example, if you see page dot go to is there. So here we need to explain about the go to. Okay. Then
Yeah.
how this async and await works, I will explain. So what we are doing here, we are go to playwright.dev website we are launching. We are launching the
Yes.
playwright.dev website. So to open this
Yes.
website, what is the command? Go to
Go
command.
to.
So go to is the
Yeah.
command or method which is in the page module. This is called
Yeah.
actually, this page is called a picture. In Playwright, this is called
Yeah.
pictures. There is some pictures
Yeah.
are there. So this
Yeah.
Playwright JavaScript is giving some pictures. In that, one is the page, another one is the browser, another
Yes.
one is the context.
Yes.
So like that, two, three
Yeah.
pictures are there. So this page picture
Yeah.
to write. So if you want to open any browser, first what you need? Page.
Great. Yeah.
Page dot, you need some method, right? What is that?
Yeah.
Go to method. Go to method is to launch the any website, right? For example, if
Yes.
you use this method, if you use this line without await, if you are writing, what it will do, it will
Mm-mm.
try to launch, and if that is open or not open, also it won't check whether it is opened or not. It won't check. It will just close. That's it.
Mm.
For example,
Got it.
if you are opening that and after that you want to do some actions, right? For example, you want to click on button or something. Sometimes if that
Yes.
not open also, our script will go for the next step to click on that button. But as that is not open,
Yeah.
this, when you try to
Yeah.
click on button, it will fail the next step, right? Further.
Yeah.
So when you are using the await, async and await, these both are combination. You have to understand. When you are using the
Yeah.
async and await, it will wait until that page is open.
Yeah.
It will wait until
If
that
it is
page
an
is
in Yeah, if it is an internet slow, it will wait it.
It will wait. Not only internet slow, if the server is down also, server is also sometimes slow. For example, if you are
Yeah.
opening some browser, if for example, if you see,
Yeah.
you are opening your exam results. If you are opening the
Yeah.
exam results is just released. Just released. You want
Yeah.
to see your result in the website. Are you able to
Yeah.
open the website very quickly? It will take long
Yeah.
time to, it will do like this, like this, like
Yeah.
the same way
Yeah.
that if you want to open another time, not exams time, general time, it will open very
So
quickly.
quick.
So it
Yeah.
means that is because of the server is busy. Many users are
Same.
many users are sending requests.
Using at a time.
So that is why it will take long time. At that time, if you run your
Yeah.
script, it will fail. Normally, if you are not using async and await, when you are using async and await, it will try to wait some time to open that.
Okay.
Now you have to
Yeah.
get some question. You have to get some question.
If you are using synchronize, it will break. Something like
Yeah,
that.
it will break. That is fine. That is fine. But
Yeah.
but one question I'm expecting from you. It will wait until the page is open, I'm saying. So the question you
Yeah.
should ask is how much time it will wait, Shiva? How much time? For example,
Oh, that
if it is waiting 10 minutes, if it is sorry, it is taking 10 minutes. And
maximum. That's
uh,
some of the configuration is maximum timeout.
uh,
Something timeout.
yeah, we cannot wait even
When
long
I'm
time, no?
recording, I saw some timeout 6 seconds, something like that.
Exactly. You are coming to the point actually. Okay. So whenever we are automating any scripts, you need to understand one thing. So we can wait some time, but we cannot wait entire hours or minutes or hours, right? We should have some
Yeah.
time wait and finally it has to throw the error saying that that is not open. But we should have some
Yeah.
patience to open sometimes, wait sometime
Yeah.
to run
Yeah.
our tests, right? See,
Yeah.
expected time should be some time. For example, if it
Yeah.
is, so what is the time is here, it will take the 30 seconds. The default, it
Yeah.
will wait for the 30,000 milliseconds, which is called the 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
30 seconds. Yeah.
Yeah, for this go to, it will wait for the 30 seconds.
Yeah.
But but you can ask Shiva, can we increase the time or can we decrease that time also? You can ask, right?
Yeah.
That type of questions you should know. You should ask because
Yeah.
that's what we are doing automation. While we are doing automation,
Yeah.
you should think all these things, all the areas. You cannot just write the code and do that. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I saw some already. There is a playwright timeout something in configuration when
yeah,
I'm recording because I'm not clear if I'm changing. When I'm getting flaky text, I'm just 60 to 30, 30 to 60 and keep on changing.
yeah. So that also we can do those things. I will explain that also in the next sessions.
Yeah.
But just I am giving
Mhm.
introducing all those things. Right? Okay.
Yeah, but sometimes if I give the 30 seconds and 3 seconds also, sites loading perfectly. But sometimes if I give 6 seconds on the same page, it's not loading.
Okay, okay, okay. That's what. That is the because of the server is sometimes slow, sometimes is fast. So that you have to handle. For example, you are going on a bike in the road, right? You are going on a bike or scooter on the road. So you have to driving means what do you mean by drive? You just put a gear and you can just accelerate in all the times same speed. If you go same speed, now
No,
you jump
no,
sometime.
got it.
If there is a speed breaker, you will jump and you will fall down.
Yeah,
If sometimes if it is
yeah,
up, if it is up, you have to do more speed. You have to
yeah,
accelerator is more. So something that is what called the driving. So this automation scripts also you have to drive to run without fail, right?
yeah,
There is some limits
got
is
it.
there. So timeout
Yeah,
limits are there. So that is what I'm saying. why people are using the JavaScript is because of this async and await. So because of this,
Yeah.
it will auto wait mechanism used to call the auto wait mechanism. In interviews also, they will ask
Yes.
you what is the best feature for the Playwright compared to the Selenium or other tools. So auto wait is the best feature. So what do you mean by auto wait means we have to explain this async and await and how much time it will wait for assets how much time, for navigations how much time, for launching how much time. These are all I will explain in the next session also. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is one thing. So now what it is doing, await, this is go to means it is launching this and opening this browser. And after that, what it is doing, expect. Expect means it is verifying that to have title. The title is Playwright is there or not, it is checking. The title is
Yeah.
Playwright is there or not, it is checking.
Once it's a launch, it's checking, do we have that title?
Exactly, right. So if you see, this is, you are able to see my Playwright, this documentation, right?
Mm. 2 pins.
You are able to
Yeah.
see VS Code or Playwright documentation.
Playwright documentation.
This is what the browser we opened. This is what the website we opened, right? So for this, if you
Yeah.
see, what is the title? If you go to here, what is the
Console.
title is there? Header, head. Okay, in this, what is the title? This is the title,
Installation.
Playwright.
It's not Playwright.
Actually, this is wrong. We are opened this website, this link. Okay, I will copy 1 second.
Okay.
I will copy this one. Okay. In this is the one we
Yeah.
open. Okay. For this,
Yes.
what is the title, right?
Title and
Yeah.
go
Yeah.
to
Title is
elements,
warm up page is there. Title is warm up
warm
page.
up page.
Okay. So maybe title is
Yeah.
changing sometimes, but here it is Playwright is there. To have title
Okay.
Playwright.
Playwright. But
Maybe
how come it passed then?
warm up page is there. Yeah, we have to see why it is fast. We will see that. Okay. But try to understand what
Yeah.
you have title
Yeah.
and we will see.
Yeah. Got it. What I got, how I can identify. Got it. Yeah.
Right? Okay. And next test is what? Get started link. This is the second test name. And async page dot go to this one. Again, this is also the same URL, but what it is checking, click the get started link. Get started link is there in this. Somewhere get started link, right? This is the get started link. You saw that?
Yeah.
Okay. So that link we are
Yeah.
clicking here.
That's a button, isn't it?
Yeah, you can call button or link, whatever it is.
Or both.
For example, if you spy this,
Yeah.
you can see it is, if you can see here, what is this and all. Yeah, if you see here, what is get started? Get started is
It's
some kind of
started button.
button, right? If you see.
Yeah.
So like that. So whatever it is, but you need to understand here, it is like they are mentioned like a get by rule.
Link.
Get by role. What is this? This is most important. This is called the object identification. This is called the object.
Get by row.
So this is the one of
Get.
way you are locating
Mm.
an object. So these locators also I am going to explain tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
We will start this. Okay. This you need to understand.
Object
And it
identification.
is taking like a
Yeah.
link and this link name also it is given. For example, if you see here,
Yeah.
for that page might be that time it is there and it is like a link and it is saying and it is something like get started something is there. Okay, now after that it is verifying that what is the heading is there. Heading should be in
Heading.
to be visible method.
And stash.
These are all the methods from the Playwright. These are all the methods from the
Yeah.
get by role and to be visible, right? So like that.
Yeah.
Now, these are the tests we ran, right? Have you seen the browser when it is running? You haven't seen the browser, right?
You
Browser
know,
is not
we
open.
didn't click.
No, browser is not open because we ran in the
Without browser.
without headed
Without head. Headless, something like.
headless mode we ran.
Yeah, headed mode. Yeah.
In the sense,
Yeah.
whenever you are running the scripts with this command, default it will take headless mode.
Headless mode.
Default. For
Got
example,
it.
if you want to run in the headed mode, you have to write last hyphen 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 headed. Hyphen hyphen headed you have to add it. I will run and show. But before that, let us see the result also. See, in this execution, if
Yeah.
you see, there is a command mentioned to open last HTML report. This is the command. This is the command you copy.
Yeah.
This is the command you copy and go to browser
Yeah.
and you can enter this. Oh, sorry. This is the command I have to run here. Sorry. This is the command.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I thought, yeah.
This is the command I have to run here.
Yeah.
It is opening.
And we can use that run button also, isn't it?
What is that?
That run button above, normal run button, triangle, left triangle.
This one?
That one also we can use in, isn't it?
No, that one, if you want to run a normal JavaScript, you can run that. But this is from the, yeah, if you see here, yeah, I will tell that also. Okay. Let's see this
Yeah.
report now. So this is the report it is generated. In this report,
Yeah.
you can see has title is one test, get started link is another test, right? If you remember,
Yeah.
shown you.
Yeah.
What are all tests we have? Has title is one test.
Test it, one test. Then get started is another test.
Get started is another.
Then
Get
get
started
started
link.
link.
Yeah, get started
Two
link.
tests.
Has test, get
Yeah.
started link. Has test, get started link. So all these
Yeah.
three ran in the three different
One is in Chromium, one is in Firefox, one is in WebKit. Yeah.
right. So these are all ran like that. So now let us run with the headed mode. Okay, let's run with the headed mode. What is this? What is this? Terminal, new terminal. Okay, let me run this. What is this title?
NPS, that is the isn't it? NPS.
So now it is headed mode. Let's see the browsers are
Yeah.
opening or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, running 6 tests using 2 workers.
But how come six? Everything we can see together.
Yeah, get started link. First running get started link. Second test running
Hmm.
first. But where is the browsers opening?
Yeah, I think behind. Make it, but how come we can open six browser together?
It will open.
It will open one Chrome, one not like that.
Yeah, it is open. Actually, browser is open. I will. It is open, but it's not sharing, na? So that's why you are not able to see. See, if you see
Yeah.
here, are you able to see below? In my taskbar, there is a two browsers are open.
Yeah.
Two browsers are open.
Yeah. I couldn't see everything. I can only see Visual Studio.
Okay, okay. So that time also it took a long time, if you remember.
Yeah, I think we if
Maybe internet is slow.
only inside of Chromium.
Okay, error. So Chromium test get started link timeout. Yeah, test
Yeah,
timeout of
timeout. Yeah.
yeah 30,000 seconds while setting up page error contest test results example test error contest. So has title. Okay, see if you see Chromium 1 is failed. And second, Firefox, it is opened actually, as I am not sharing
Yeah.
screen, but it is opening. Yeah, it is opening now.
Has title. Yeah.
Yeah, but it is failing. If you see,
Yeah.
right, the title is wrong, right? Anyway, you
Yeah.
know that.
Yeah.
That is why it is failing.
Yeah. Title is wrong. Yeah.
But
Yeah. Got it.
web,
But we can only mention one browser, isn't it? For our EC, isn't it? Is
yeah,
it
yeah,
possible?
we can do. But this is the just sample test. Now I'm just explaining. So to enter
Yeah.
the one browser, right? You saw that some command we already saw. So see now the result is came. If you see the Chromium is failed two tests, whereas
Yes.
whereas Firefox and WebKit is passed. Whereas okay,
Yeah.
if you click that test timeout of 30,000 milliseconds. So if you see this is the default time. I told you na what is the default time?
Hmm.
30,000 milliseconds. It means the 30
Yeah.
seconds. So more than that, it
Yeah.
wait. It won't wait more than.
Yeah.
And before who?
Yeah.
If you see here, for picture browser, picture context, picture page, and create page. This create page is failed. That is what it is saying.
Failed.
There are contest.
Yeah.
So there is a screenshot also there.
Yeah.
Screenshot also there. Let it open. Is it opening?
It's the downloading. It's already downloaded.
Downloaded.
Attachment.
Think it is opening. Why it is taking this much time? Do you want to allow untrusted files in this workspace? Open. Yeah. Yeah, this is the error context.md file actually. Okay. This is the MD
Okay.
file. Error
Not like a screenshot.
not a screenshot. So in this MD file, it is saying following playwright test failed. Explain why. Be concise. Response, respect playwright best practices. What it is,
Yeah.
repositories were found in the parent folders of the workspace. Would you like to open the repositories? You'll see later. Okay, test info example.spec.json has title, location. This is the location, error details. Test timeout 30,000 milliseconds expected while setting up the page. Right. So this is what
Yeah.
came actually. It's not a screenshot, but we can include the screenshot also. This one not added the
Yeah.
screenshot. That is why. And this is the
Yeah.
hash title. This is the hash title. Right. This is also failed.
Got it. Yeah.
This is also failed. Okay.
Now I need to install my laptop, everything.
Yeah, tomorrow we will install that. If you see in the top, it is showing like all six,
Hmm.
and password 4, failed to, flake is 0, skipped 0. So it means this is the HTML report generated by the inbuilt HTML report generated by the Playwright.
Playwright. Yeah.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. So with this, we can close this session today. And
Yeah.
tomorrow, we will install in your machine also all these things.
Yeah.
We will
Yeah.
install and we will see that. And then based on that, we will continue the executions.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you can open
Okay.
these videos and all I shared. And this one also I will try to share tomorrow once it is created.
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubts?
No, now it's clear.
Okay.
This section is clear. Really useful.
Okay.
Thank
Great.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.